to be an avid hunter or an experienced birder to recognize the duck with the shiny green head. Mallards are pretty widespread across the globe. They can live in any kind of wetland area, including artificial and natural water bodies. So since they're all around us, let's get a little bit more acquainted with the mallards by learning 5 fascinating facts about these dapper ducks. Like many ducks, the male and female look very different. Male mallards, also called drakes, have the iridescent green heads with bright yellow bills, a white ring around their neck, and dark brown bodies. The females, also called hens, are mottled brown and tan all over. Both sexes have a bright blue speculum patch on their wings that you can see when they take flight. Male and female mallards look different, but they also sound different. The females may not be winning any awards in the best dressed category, but they do get top marks in the sound category. The classic quack of a duck comes from a female mallard. The female will do this decrescendo call of 2 to 10 quacks, starting with a really loud one and getting shorter and softer as they call. Males make a quieter, raspier 2-note call, or they can make a rattling sound when they take their beak and rub it against their flight feathers in a special display for their lady. Mallards have a 3-foot wingspan and can fly up to 55 miles per hour. Now, not all mallards migrate, because if they have enough food and shelter, then they'll stick around all winter long. But if they do migrate, they can fly up to 800 miles within 8 hours. Now, after an intense flight like that, they will have to rest for a week before traveling again. Females will build a nest on the ground using different plant materials and their own breast feathers. In urban areas, don't be surprised if you find them in weird places like parking lots or in flower pots. She will lay 6 to 14 eggs and spend a month on the nest incubating. After they hatch, it will only take 24 hours for these little birds to hit the water. Mallards are dabbling ducks. Have you ever seen a duck with its tail feathers sticking straight out and it's just bobbing in the water? Well, this is a feeding strategy that they can either skim the surface of the water for food or tip their whole bodies down to get underwater plants or snatch an aquatic insect. Their food includes a variety of different plants or snails and even a tasty earthworm. When it's on land, they can eat agriculture, grains, and seeds. Mallards are easy to find and observe, so head to your local wetland or pond to see if you can catch that emerald green head or the female's loud quack, 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 quack. And if you have a wetland or pond in your backyard, consider building a nesting structure so you can see the life cycle play out right before your eyes. Head to nestwatch.org for mallard plans and tons of other bird structures to bring nature into your backyard.